And in the manufacturing setups that you have, that it's been used so far, is it all different types of manufacturing?
It's any scenario in the manufacturing space. I mean, I look at the kingdom and what's coming here. You see Lucid building a factory here in the kingdom and having to onboard and train a workforce really quickly. This is the ideal scenario to do that, especially in a place where manufacturing isn't the main driver of the economy. It very well could be if they can get the workforce trained fast enough.
Okay, well, let's look at a completely different sector. Let's look at healthcare. Very different skill set, very different types of employees, but the same product.
Yeah, I think in the healthcare space, what we're seeing is probably the most powerful use of 3D visualization. You think about how medical information and imagery is used now. MRIs are taken, CAT scans are taken, and then doctors look at them in 2D images, slice by slice or on a 2D screen. But those images are 3D, and if you can actually use them in that way, they become so much more powerful. We have a partner called CentiR who has created an incredible solution for cardiac catheterization. So when you catheterize a patient, you put the catheter into a vessel or vein in their body, and you have to guide it up. And the doctor does that looking at a 2D screen while navigating through your body, which is incredibly difficult and not intuitive. With this solution, the doctor inserts the catheter, and a 3D model, you can see it right there, a 3D model of the vessel is created right in front of their eyes. So they guide that catheter looking at it in 3D in real time in a model in front of them. And once they reach the heart, they're able to get all the data from the heart, the electrocardiogram. And so when they do an intervention, put in a stent or cauterize a vessel, they can see the immediate impact of what they're doing right in front of them using the device. It's something only really possible with AR. You can't bring VR into the operating room because you can't see the patient in front of you. And it's only something you can do here. And actually, Magic Leap was just certified. We just got a IEC 60601 certification. So it's a lot of numbers, but it's a certification that's valid in, I think, 89 or 90 countries that allows the device to be used inside the operating room. And we're the first device of our nature to be given that certification.
So in a way, what you're seeing here is a doctor or a physician who's got the ability to sort of see round a corner or see above or below something.
They can see from every angle what they're doing. So instead of trying to guide it through in a flat plane, they can see how far they are from the walls of that vessel as they go through. So the accuracy of the procedure is it's so much better. It's going to revolutionize how we think about interventional healthcare. And then you think about the size of the device, how small it is and compact and portable, and being able to take a device this powerful with the diagnostic capabilities and the interventional capabilities it has into the field, away from a clinic or a hospital, to be able to deliver better quality healthcare through a mobile device like this